Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to set up Apple Pay on your iPhone, a simple process that takes just a few minutes. First, open the Wallet app on your device. You'll see a plus sign in the upper right corner. Tap that to start adding a new card. Then, choose the option for debit or credit card to proceed with setting up your payment method. It's a straightforward way to get started with secure, contactless payments. Now, let's add your payment card. You can easily scan your card by positioning it within the frame on your screen. The Wallet app will automatically capture the card number and expiration date. If the scan doesn't work, don't worry. You can manually enter all the card details, including the security code. Always take a moment to carefully review all the information to ensure everything is correct before moving to the next step. The next crucial step is card verification. Your bank or card issuer will need to confirm your identity and the card's validity. You'll typically be given options like receiving a verification code via text message to your registered phone number or an email to your linked address. Once you receive the code, simply enter it into the Wallet app. This final confirmation ensures your card is securely linked and ready for use with Apple Pay. Congratulations! Your card is now fully set up and ready to use with Apple Pay. Making a purchase is incredibly simple and secure. When you're ready to pay, just double-click the side button on your iPhone. Then, hold the top of your device near the contactless reader at the checkout. You'll see a confirmation on your screen, and your payment will be complete in just a few seconds. Enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.